Troy Kish here at Cool Springs Eye Care in Franklin, Tennessee. And right now we're going to discuss how to adjust eyeglasses. Now, depending on the type of frame we have, if we're using a metal frame, there's a couple areas on the frame that we can use to adjust it. One being the temples in the back. We can bend those. Heat the temple until it feels moist, and then we bend it. And right now this one is a little warm, so I'm going to go ahead and bend it, and we pretty much change the curve just by that. So that's one way to make an eyeglass adjustment. This pretty much is going to tighten them behind the ears a little more. But sometimes the adjustment we need is maybe to lift the frame a little bit, and in order to lift the frame, we're going to want to adjust these nose pads in here. And of course we have a professional nose pad plier that we use, but if you don't have it, a needle nose will work just fine. To make the frame go up higher, we want to bring the pads in, and so we're going to grab the temple arm, the metal part, not the padded part, and we're going to bend it in like that. And we're going to do the other side the same. And of course we're going to try to match them up, make sure they look even, and they do. We've effectively brought the nose pads closer together, and the closer these pads are together, the higher it will sit. The next adjustment might be because the glasses are crooked like this. Well, we always take the frame that we're working on and we put it on a table to line it up, and we call this a bench alignment. And we basically look to see if the temples are touching the table, and basically bend the temple, the one that's not touching. You can bend it up with your hand. We have a needle nose plier that we can grab and bend it with, but keep in mind, if you use the needle nose plier, make sure you use a cloth or something to hold, to wrap the frame in, so that you can bend it without scarring the frame. The other adjustment that we might need on glasses might be involved with a plastic frame. And once again, to bend the temples, we used a hot air blower or a hair dryer so that we could bend it down, but we can also use the hot air on the corner or the front of the frame in order to bring the temples in like this. Usually a plastic frame, because the heat in wearing them, they slowly stretch out as you wear them, so after a couple of months or so they'll look like this. And so we'll heat just the corner and bend it in. And once we've heated it and formed it the way we like, we rinse it off with cold water, and it should come out just right. And that's how we adjust frames.